Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard, author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. His work can be found at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Love is from within. Others' disapproval of you is only from your lack of self-love. For if you loved yourself, others would mirror back your truth. Until you realize this, the lesson will come back again and again until you take a step back and accept true love is within. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I believe this poem. I believe whatever you send out into the universe is what's going to come back to you. That's why I agree so much with this poem. So I believe if you have self-love and that's what you put out there, then that's going to come back to you. That's what I believe. So if you put out negativity, I believe that's what will come back. So that's why I always say, follow love, follow your heart. Whatever's deep down inside, that's true love. Follow that. Think positive, and that's what's going to come back. I know sometimes it's tough when things get down and low and you believe that things are against you in the world, but there's always a reason. Maybe you can't see it now, but later on down the road, you'll see it. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.